Today I'm going to show you how to get this look. It's not a full look and definitely more casual since I work in a pretty casual environment. I prefer not to have my skin appear completely flawless on a day-to-day basis since that requires more product on my skin. Starting with hair. Here are 3 of my favorite hair products. I don't use all of them on a daily basis, but there are definitely staple hair products that protect my color-treated hair. Starting with OLAPLEX number 3 Hair Perfector. This is the protection treatment I use at home. It was recommended by my colorist and I use it probably around once a month. Ideally, I like to use it at night on towel-dried hair and sleep in it and then shampoo and condition the following morning. When I don't have that luxury, I'll rinse my hair with water, towel dry it, and comb the product through before jumping in the shower. After letting the OLAPLEX sit in my hair, I'll use L'Oreal's EVERPURE shampoo and GOJI. I picked up this shampoo at a local drugstore because it was sulfate-free and I was running low on shampoo. Sulfate-free products are beneficial for color-treated hair like mine because sulfates tend to dry out hair and skin. I actually really love the GOJI smell in the shampoo, so I've continued to purchase this product ever since. After shampooing my hair, I'll shampoo the ends of my hair with JOICO's Color Indoor Violet shampoo. The reason I use this shampoo on top of EVERPURE is because the JOICO doesn't give me the foaming action I like to make me feel like I've actually washed my hair. I only use this violet shampoo on the weekends to boost my color to make it a little more ashy and blonde. Now that I washed my hair and let it air dry, I'm starting with a clean face and I've already applied toner and eye cream. I'm using KIEHLS Ultra Facial Cream with SPF 30 to moisturize my skin. My skin is really dry, especially in the winter, and this cream keeps my skin feeling hydrated without feeling clogged or oily. I've already applied concealer over my blemishes and red areas, and now I'm going in with the HOURGLASS VANISH stick in beige. I'm someone who's always on the go, so this foundation stick has been a staple in my makeup bag. When I don't have my beauty blender or a brush, I can blend it in with my fingers, so I really love how convenient it is. It also makes my skin appear slightly dewy and gives me a natural finish. Next, I'm using ANASTASIA's DIPRBOW pomade in medium brown to fill in my brows. In between brush strokes, I like to use water-based makeup remover like Bioderma to clean the brush before dipping it back into the pot. Next, using my Tom Ford eye defining pen in color number 1, Deeper, I draw in a winged eyeliner to make my eyes appear slightly larger. I really like this liquid eyeliner because the tip of the pen comes to a sharp point and it makes it easy to draw precise lines. Using an eyelash curler, I'm going to curl my lashes and then apply the mascara to secure the curl. I always curl my lashes and apply mascara before putting on falsies so my natural eyelashes and the fake lashes blend together. While I wait for my liquid eyeliner to set and dry, I'm taking my HOOLA bronzer from Benefit to define my cheekbones. I like this bronzer because it's matte and highly pigmented. I'm applying the bronzer to my cheekbones and then also along my jawline and upper forehead to give my face more warmth and definition. Now I'm using my Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder Highlighter to give my face a glow and some dimension. Using my fingers, I'll apply the powder down my nose, on top of my cheekbones, and on my cupid's bow. Using my beauty blender, I'm softly dabbing on top of the areas I've highlighted to lock the powder in place. Now that my mascara is dry, I'm going to add my falsies. My favorite lashes are the ARDELL Wispies. I went ahead and trimmed these lashes to fit my eye size. I use this dark tone eyelash adhesive for my eyelash glue. Using my Hot Tools 1.5-inch barrel curling iron, I'm grabbing small sections of my hair and alternating directions between each curl. I like to start with the bottom half of my hair and work my way outside and then to the front of my hair. I always curl the front sections of my hair away from the face, and after curling all of my hair, I go back to the roots at the top of my crown and curl them again to give my hair a little bit of volume. Last but not least, I'm going to put on a black V-neck bodysuit with a pair of high-waisted jeans and a black leather belt. To complete the look, I'm putting on a large pair of rose gold hoop earrings and my go-to gold name necklace. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.